Hey, good afternoon. Jason Riggs from Technetics. I'm here with Thomas Pfeilschifter from Liebherr. Thomas,
hey.
Great to meet you.
Great to meet you.
Hey, tell us a little bit about what you do at Liebherr, Germany.
So Germany, our Liebherr site is in South Germany, close to the border of the Swiss and Austria. And we are mainly doing there our landing gear, our flight controls, hydraulics, and we do have electromechanical actuation, which you see in the back of you, which is specifically tailored now, meanwhile, for eVTOLs, but also for the business jets.
Okay.
And on top of that, for sure, we do our electronics, which we see here, which comes also out of our German site in south of Germany.
So how are you feeling about the eVTOL market? Do you see that?
Yes, there are a lot of hard questions. We found a way how to deal with that emerging market. We see a chance that there will be something in the future.
Well, it's a really exciting space. What are some business jet applications that you all support?
We are supporting especially also on the air management side, the Bombardier jets. We are much involved there with compressors, but also with heat exchangers and cooling systems. But this is actually from the size meant for a business jet application. But also from our side in Lindenberg side, we're also coming up with flight control systems, which we are having in different applications on business jets.
Well, Technetics has been a supplier to Liebherr for many, many years, so we appreciate the partnership, and it's really exciting to see so many great products on display.
Thank you.
Thanks for chatting with us. Good to see you. Take care.